In this tutorial, we will learn to know about the application status bar. In this application status bar, we have options like refit, zoom, repaint, display and display styles. This toolbar is really helpful in changing the display of our model. So the first option is we have to locate the position of this toolbar. So I take my cursor on this toolbar and right click on it. So we have option like we can check which options we want. Then we have option for location. We can make it show on the top, right, bottom, left, whichever we want. We can show do not show. Also the size we can control small, medium, large, and if we don't want to change we can simply select reset to default. Okay, so now to use this toolbar properly, first we would like to open a model. So I click this open. We go to our project files and suppose I open this model extrude and click open. So this way we have opened this extrude file. First option in this we have is refit. When we click on this option, it will refit our model in our screen. Suppose I zoom in or zoom out here this model like this. Now to make it fit to the workspace, just we have to click on this refit and it will automatically fit to the screen. The next option we have zoom in and zoom out. To create the zoom in, first we have to select zoom in and then we have to select an area. Just like I selected area by hold down the left click of the mouse, I select this area and now leave the key. Then it will automatically zoom in that particular area. To zoom out, just like this, zoom out here. So it will zoom out here. So this way we use the zoom in and zoom out feature. Another option we have is repaint. Repaint usually used in some cases when there is some graphic problems in our model, so our model does not properly show. So to show the model properly due to some graphic problems, we can click on this repaint. It will show the model just like we do in regenerate. Similar functions we do by using the regenerate. By regenerating, our model will regenerate after we use the commands. Then we have option for display style. When I click on this arrow, we have like shading with edges, reflection, shading. So when I select the shading with edges, it will darken the edges. Then we have option like shading with reflection, so it will show the reflection. We can select the shading. Also we have like no hidden. We can select the hidden. It will show the hidden parts in there. And then we have an important wireframe. It will show the wireframe mode in our model. So usually we can select shading with edges. After that we have option for views. So I click this arrow, we have views like standard orientation. This is our orientation like isometric or trimetric, which we have selected in our settings. Then we have our default setting. We can change the display, like we can make it back, top, bottom, right, left. We can select anyone. I select front, so it will oriented with respect to the front plane. So this way we can change our views according to our requirement. And after changing the views, we can simply go to default orientation. After that we have option for view manager. View manager is used to show the different views of the model. We will cover this in our upcoming tutorials in details. Then we have option for display filter. I click on this arrow. First option we have axis display. Suppose I have this axis, so it will not display the axis. Now axis is hidden, so we can change the, just like we have, if any we have a datum point, we can show it or hide it. Then we have coordinate system, we can change the, by checking this. Then we have a plane display, we can turn our plane display on and off. To change this all in simultaneously one time, we can select this select all, so the all will be unchecked, all will be checked. Then we have option for annotation display, it will turn on and on off the display. Then we have option for spin center, like we have spin center in there, it will show the our reference of the spin, so we can turn on and off by clicking on this.